Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited because today is like day one of me vlogging and I'm so happy about that. I've like started some vlogs here and there, but I haven't really kept up with them in any way, shape, or form. So is it still recording? Okay, good. So today's the day, right? I feel like I have an off day from work and, you know, just random stuff, right? So I'm actually heading to the gym right now. I've been doing really good for the past 2 days, as far as eating properly, because it's been a struggle, like, literally this whole entire year, and we're already in May, so that just tells you, like, it's real. So I finally like been on track for 2 full days. Today's the 3rd. I'm super excited. It's got me amped up. I'm ready to go the full-fledged thing. So I wanted to force myself to vlog today, whatever it may be. I wanted to put it out there, make sure I got it in, make sure I filmed it, and that way I can get it up. I'm gonna film some other videos today also. I filmed a video the other day, so I'm gonna have that probably going up on Sunday, because I want to film a video today to upload today. But yeah, today is Wednesday. But I'm heading to the gym right now. I haven't been in the gym in forever. I've just been working, doing my regular, like, walking a lot kind of stuff the past 2 days. So today's the first day I'll be back in the gym. I don't work today, which is why I want to hit the gym. I'm not going to be like full gym rat, you know, at this point, but I just want to get some cardio in because I'm not going to be at work to be doing all that walking and stuff. So that's where I want to kind of balance out. The past 2 days I've been eating low carb, and I've been eating between like 1,800 2,000 calories. I'm not sticking with any like specific thing. I'm just kind of trying to eat better and making sure that I get some activity in and I'm being active and things of that nature, because I don't want to go like really strict with myself, because I know that that's not going to work. And one thing, you guys, that I've been changing, and I text my friend this too, is portion control, right? That's one thing I told myself. I was like, okay, so like I'm not depriving myself. Like, honestly, the past 2 nights I ate Breyer's extra creamy chocolate ice cream, but the serving size is a half a cup. So I measure out a half a cup and I eat that, and that's it. So that's really been helping too, because it's 110 calories, it's 17 grams of carbs, so that gets worked in and I know what I'm eating, right? Versus like, oh, let me just put a bunch of it in a bowl because I want this much. I'm not doing that, obviously. I'm sticking to the serving size, which is there for a reason. So that's really been helping me also, whether it's peanut butter, whether it's ketchup, mayonnaise, like all those like ranch dressing, all those little like things, you know, that like kind of add up and sneak in the calories and then the carbohydrates. Those are the things I'm making sure I'm watching the serving size on, just to make sure that I'm staying within where I need to be and not doing too much, rather. So that's really been working for me also. So I'm just super excited. I know like recently this year I put on like a lot of the weight that I lost. So I know if I just start eating right, it's going to fall off, which is already happening since it's only been 2 days and I've already lost 8 pounds. And the first day I lost 3 pounds. And when I weighed myself this morning, I lost 5 pounds. So I know that, you know, that weight's going to kind of fall off because it was put on superficially, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to keep going forward. When I get back to like my weight that I used to vlog about, when I was doing YouTube videos more, when I get back to that weight, that's when I really need to start getting into the gym and start, you know, burning off those extra calories, because that's the weight that I like kind of stick with and I kind of linger at. But right now I know I'll be okay just like with changing my eating, so I can drop this weight. And then when it gets back to where my size is always at, where I need to lose like that 100-pound mark, that's when I'm gonna like start to actively get in the gym, start to make sure I'm doing more cardio. But I will be filming everything and I will be taking you guys along with me, because this is the time for my journey and I'm committing that, and it's gonna happen. I'm turning 32 in June. I don't really have like a lot more youth left to try to lose a massive amount of weight. And yes, I can wait until I'm older and all this other stuff. I don't want to do that, right? I want to get the weight off now so I can enjoy my life, so I can enjoy activities, so I'm not in pain, so I don't have, you know, stupid back pain, so my sciatica hopefully gets better, like just different things, right? So I need to get the weight off now versus waiting. There's no point. Like me and a friend discussed, like there's no reason we're fat. Like it's stupid. Like we're active every single day. We eat moderately healthy. I don't really eat out, you know, at all. So it's like, why, right? It's just doing stupid things, doing stupid behaviors. And that's something that I need to stop, and I'm going to stop. But obviously I want to vlog it. I want it to be documented, and I want to take you guys along with me so I can show you guys that coming from somebody who literally is, I don't want to say a yo-yo dieter, but coming from somebody that literally has gone up and down, 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 and has committed to herself 1,000 different times that she's going to lose weight, it is possible. So I am going to show that to you guys starting today. I'll see you guys at the gym. Bye. Hey guys, just checking in at the gym. I was going to vlog sooner, but there's some people in here. So yeah, I'm just on the treadmill. 7 minutes left. See you soon. Okay, hey, so I'm just got out of the gym. So I did 40 minutes on the treadmill. That was it. I did mostly incline the whole time. I think I did 5, whatever that is. Yeah, I just have some errands to run. I have to go to Walmart, get some alkaline water. I don't feel like going all the way out to Trader Joe's today. I gotta get some gas. Just some really basic stuff before I go back to work on my off day. But yeah, that's it. I will check in with you guys later. Okay, bye. Good morning. So I'm finally done with a crazy work schedule. Probably gonna get back on a normal schedule, so I'm super excited. Planned out my YouTube scheduling, when I'm gonna edit, when I'm gonna upload, when I'm gonna record. I'm super excited about that. My sink's going crazy. I'm trying to clean this cup that my mom got me from Tennessee, Smoky Mountains. It's got little bears on it. And a little background scenery. She was like, I just knew you would love it because it's blah, blah, blah. So anywho, literally just trying to make coffee over here. My Keurig's been acting up, so I don't know if it's gonna work. I might have to make a run to Dunkin'. But yes, I'm gonna film today. I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna make a lot of videos today, actually. The scheduled uploads. But yeah. And then I'll just have my vlogs up in between my Sunday and Wednesday uploads. And we'll see how everything goes from there. My hand hurts so much from holding this up. Going to, yeah, we'll see. My vlogs are gonna be really rambly because it's gonna be me talking. I guess that's what vlogs are, but I always feel like awkward about it. I'm always like, oh my gosh, like I should be saying something at all times. I shouldn't be like talking about what I'm doing. I should this, I should that. Like it should be formatted. And then I have to remember, like, that's not what vlogs are. Like vlogs are just like you walking around talking. And I watch other people do it all the time. So get my life together. Sorry for the angle. Again, my hand hurts because I'm not used to this. But yeah, so like I was just thinking a lot yesterday. So I was thinking about like the days I want to edit, the days I want to upload, the days I want to film, just trying to be more structured, vlogging, following my diet regimen. I'm going to make a whole video on my current weight, what I plan on doing. Yeah, just a lot of stuff. So I'm really looking forward to doing all that. I want to get back into some of my fashion videos and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm super excited. But all I'm doing right now is wasting water, obviously, because I'm vlogging instead of turning it off. I need to rinse this cup. But yeah, I plan on filming all day today. So I will check back in with you guys. Maybe I'll show you guys everything I ate today. So that's part of the vlog also. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Why not? I really want to do like one of those like what people in front of me ate videos. But I have celiac disease, so you know I can't have gluten, so I don't really eat out anywhere. So I literally like can't do it because it's pointless. Because I literally drove past a Wendy's yesterday. And I was like, oh my gosh, I want to go there so bad. And be like, can I just have what the person in front of me had? And I was like, I can't. Like, such a waste of food, you know, because I can't eat it. And I'm not about to get sick over some food. So, yeah. Not happening. But it was a nice thought, you know. I wish I could do it, but I can't. All All right, guys, I am done rambling for the moment. Good morning if I didn't say it, and I'll see you later. Hey guys, so the time's 10:29. I just wanted to check in with you and show you my breakfast today. So I have a half avocado under here, and then I have 2 eggs, and then I added 2 egg whites in there also. So this is breakfast. Hey guys, so I'm at Walmart for a quick run. Yay! I legit just need like toilet paper, chicken, eggs, I think a couple other things. Yay! It's 8 o'clock at night. This is what I'm doing. Fun times. Okay, so I just want to do a quick haul of what I got from Walmart. Super simple. A dozen eggs. Got some peanuts, jumbo salted. I got a new stalk of celery. This celery is so shitty, you guys. Like, it's so thin and like... Ugh. I got 2 packages of iceberg lettuce. I still won't eat romaine. I got a thing of butter. I get this because it's gluten-free. Two rolls of toilet paper. I got 4 alkaline waters to hold me over. I just did some like I gotta pick some stuff up type shopping, not like actual shopping. I got 2 liters of Diet Pepsi. And I got a 3-pound bag of boneless skinless chicken breast. That'll probably last me like 3 days. And that's it. See? Super small, super simple. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got tonight. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.